Da prikažemo zahvaljujući ambasadi Australije sa kojom smo već imali jednu izuzetno lepu saradnju u prethodnim godinama. Nadamo se da ćemo i u narednim godinama biti u prilici da prikažemo još australijskih filmova. Znam da su nakon projekcije u Beogradu ti filmovi u sledećim godinama i kružili Srbiju, tako da su ljudi širom zemlje imali prilike da ih vide. Tako da kad su nas pozvali iz ambasade sa molbom i pitanjem da li postoji mogućnost, iako je bio već kratak rok, da nađemo neki termin za ovu projekciju, svakako da nismo hteli da ispustimo priliku da kad imamo i gosta iz Australije to svakako upriličimo ovde i drago mi je što smo u vrlo kratkom roku uspeli da nađemo odgovarajući termin, raspored u nekoliko evropskih zemalja u veoma kratkom periodu. A sada naravno zamolio bi njenu ekscelenciju, ambasadorku Australije, gospođu Ruth Stewart, da vam se obrati i nakon toga naravno molim vas i nakon projekcije da ostanete kako bi imali prilike da razgovarate sa autorom. Ruth, please.
Thank you, Marianne, for your kind words of introduction and for providing us with such a wonderful venue for tonight's event. I'd like to thank representatives of the Ministry of Culture as well as representatives of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for being here this evening, as well as my esteemed colleagues from the Diplomatic Corps, ladies and gentlemen, including fellow Australians. Dobro večer. So I'd like to really thank everybody here for joining us for a very special event. This is the first Serbian screening of the new Australian comedy, The Merger. We are very fortunate to have here with us tonight the film's producer and lead actor, Damien Callanan. So Damien, if you could just stand up. That society works best when we embrace and embed multiculturalism, tolerance and respect for people's different faiths and identities. In that context, this film provides us with the opportunity to show some of the contemporary issues facing Australia, including the integration of refugees and how successful multiculturalism benefits all of us. For those of you who may not be aware, Australia has been involved in the UNHCR's resettlement program since 1977. Of the world's most vulnerable people under our annual refugee resettlement program. I'm conscious that there may even be some people in the audience here tonight who may themselves or through a family member have had a personal connection to Australia's refugee resettlement program, and if so, we're very happy to have you here tonight. Finally, the merger should also give you a glimpse of life in a typical Australian town. We don't take ourselves too seriously. We swear a bloody lot, and sometimes we can be a bit hard to understand. So for those of you who don't speak Serbian, we apologise for the lack of English subtitles. So I'm very pleased that Damien will be here after the film to participate in a Q&A session. We very much hope that you'll stick around and you can ask any questions you want. And Damien, in Australian, fair income, it's ace to have you here, Damo. And so sit back, relax, and please enjoy a bit of truly Aussie comedy. Thank you.